Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to share with you how I mix my deep conditioner, my hair mask. If you're interested to see how I mix my hair mask to make it more efficient, keep watching to the end. Now let's get started with this video. To get started, I will need a container, a small bowl. This is my body scrub container. I clean it up. Now I'm going to use it to make my deep conditioner. So for today, I will be using this CANTU hair treatment hair mask. I've started to love this CANTU hair mask. It's really hydrating. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour this into my small container. Because I will be using this on my daughter's hair who has a lot of hair, I will be using about 3 packs for today. If it was for me who has short hair, 1 pack would be enough, but for her, she needs about 3 packs. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing the like button and subscribe to our channel for similar content. Next, I'm going to grab this oil mix that I made. If you're interested to see what is this oil mix, check our channel to see what kind of oil was this. If I had to measure, I would say I pour about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Next, I'm going to mix it all together. The reason why I like to add oil into a deep conditioner is to add the benefit of oils into the hair mask. Adding oil on our hair can help reduce frizz. It also can help strengthen our hair. It can add shine. So this is why I love to add oil on my deep conditioner. After shampooing her hair, I'm gonna get my deep conditioner and put it on her hair, and I'm going to make sure to focus on the ends and not so much on the scalp, because this is more for the hair and the ends and not for the scalp. Let me know in the comment below, what do you think about this? Do you like to add oil into your hair mask, or do you rather just put the oil at the end after you wash the hair, put the deep conditioner and then rinse the hair, then add the oil? Let me know in the comment below, which way do you like to do your hair? Now I'm just going to continue putting this all over her hair. I hope you guys enjoying this video. I hope that I was able to show you or teach you something. If I was, please consider pressing the like button. Share this video with someone that you know that would enjoy this video, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Bye.